Um, I want to remind you something about in the war happened because um, I see something in the Bible talk about the Ecclesiastes chapter 3 in there. Okay, Ecclesiastes chapter 3. I want to read for you something. A type for everything. Do you understand about the type? A type for everything. One day, uh, so many things. A type for everything. So many things. I will show you something here. I want to read for you now. Penny, you got aeropali the camera. Did I let that $6 tackle? That's $6 tackle. But get my dealer, no, but a quarter thousand, no, that's $6. There is a time for everything. Away in the middle that $6 tackle, no, and reason for every activity under heaven, no. Away in the middle reason, no, or a $6 way, no, a copy your way, le tahu taggle, muko apala, no, copy your o, no, a $6 usiko, oh, yeah. A time to be born and a time to be died, no. That's $6 we did up go play off. We not that $6 with the a time to be born, a time to be died, no. Oh, well, a time to plan and a time to uproot, no. Put it in my letter $6, but it in my no. Pay that $6 back up, no, that $6 back the, that $6 no, tuta, ogo, no, back the tuta, oh, no. Let no put out, but thina, no. Pay no. Already minute me, no, tuta, no. That $6, no, but it my pay, no, take talk with, no, $1 tuta, no, a take up, to the uproot, uprooting that take up, no, the $6 tuta, that take up, no. A tie to kill and tie to heal, no. But there are $6 per my theater or $6 per my bladder, no. Per my bladder, tie to tear down and tie to build, no. But there are $6 tear down and tie to build, no. But there are per metilo, no. Ulan at $6 per kabaka setakilo, no. A tie to weak and a tie to large. No, because to my $6 or $2,000 or $2,000 no, high, no. The Dani Hutaro Bakra Sukumota pain, a tie to morals and a tie to them, no. But my moral and tobacco sermon, no, but they open it up. $6 are Bagata like read, no. A tie to scattered stone and a tie to gathering them, no, Pagaterma. $6 Pagaterma, but Gerota Kota Ketimino, $6 Pagaterma, who poke a woman, that they thought, that. $6 Actora over sick, a tie to embarrass, a tie to refrain, no, by a patisic or infrain or refrain, no. Or a $6 did pa open it all, no, Pagaterma, a tie to sash, a tie to get up, no. A $6 thank you, brother. Thank you, no. $6 Pagaterma aware the, no. $6 Pagaterma, Huda, no. Tie to shaft, no. $6 a Huda, no. $6 give up, no. $6 aware Pagata Pahito. Ba Sukwi a woman, no. Give up, no. He talking. A tie to keep and a tie to throw away. Says a tie to keep, a tie to throw away. Okay, do you want us you keep it? You don't want us you throw away. This me, okay. Let's put out a thing at $6 pagar or $6 per two, no. A tie to tear and a tie to match, no. But tell them $6 metilo, not $6 or a tie to anything, no. A tie to silent and a tie to speak, no. But then $6 per catura, no. $6 per catura, $6 no, but tell them but catura was silent, no. But catura, Okay. A time to love and a time to hate. Okay. A time. Sometimes you love your friend, right? Sometimes you hate your friend. Why? Maybe they against you. This mean. No. When you meet dollar, that's $6. Eda. No, that's $6. No. Pagkatira mala. No. Pagkatira mala. Tu hita he. A tie to war and a tie for peace. Okay. We fight it, later then we make it peace. All right. We understand about each other. Okay. One day. Right now, we know that the whole world is fighting against each other, but later then they make it peace. But they need peace. What does the walker against from his toe? No, pagkatira mala. Pamadapo, no. Pamadapo ni. Aweba puilo dala. Ata tu pagkatira ata pita mala asu holo. I have seen the burden God have laid on man. No, pagkatira mala. When it means a chile pakanyo, no, you are here or tala pakanyo, no. Pakanyo da, pakanyo tir pala akamada, one law. Now he have made everything beautiful in his time. No, when mawara, that's second dollar. No, pagkatira mala, no, hiruma, no, pagkatira mala. Takalane active hiruma, that's second dollar. No, David, when dinner. He has also said, no, pagkatira mala, certainty in the hearts of man. No, pagkatira mala. We pala wada bakala. Eternity sidane no la patapu no la paganyo tapu lo yeah they cannot no fathom that God has done from beginning to end now when it pasotele qui no pasotele qui bakitete mala pasotele qui no kasayo atapita mala akotelili ne no judala akatene pama or the normi ba tera no I know this. There is nothing better for man, than to be happy and doing good while they live. No, when you think yala look back on your one, man, back on your one, aware about a tattoo kuda, aware bamata, he, the aware umu one, no, tattoo kuda matagi, the umu one, no, when it pethinya, no, thus everything miss. Eat and drink a fine 65 in all his toe no let them go down attack colony away pagkatira ma work all the work all no the work hunita le pagkatira ma le attack class poko color kasilo this is a gift of God away ni mita hile kasajwa agwanilo no I know there's everything God does wills endures forever no when it meet ala yatinya la kasajwa no matai le pagtera mala tala atapatuba no lo tulo you nothing can be added to it and nothing take from it no pagtera pakachine adho do pakahini qui the thing on me ba nothing no take from it now God does it so that mean no man we reveal him no reveal him little kudala away ne meta la kasayo matai le pakanyo tit pa le ko umuda le kamara ni lo no katinya away kon ni lo no whatever it has already been no pagitera mala no tatami mi tit pa ni no the media opa look lilo and what will be has been before no when opa clearly sikolo and God will call the past to account no pagiterma when kasaywa no ke hiniki tala apukwithir para kadwara no apaka wala apukwithir panelo and I saw something else under the sun no the tisiko no tata mimila under the sun sitane pagitera malana mu attack po pala no the tiwe no in the place of judgment na pagitema ta lo ta clearly ta senior no ta senior weakness was there no weakness was there no pretend mala pa pa to tit pa le agwan ni no in the place of justice no weakness was there siko no pretend ma ta senior no ta senior kha uweda la pa to tit pa was siko no I thought in my heart no ya yes no ya sukumo le ya sata mo no ya tapu mo no my heart God will bring to judgment both the restorers and the weak no pretend mala kasaya ka heso weda no pretend mala pa ato lu ro pa to tit pa agwan no no ta sinyo ka heso we sikolo for there will be a time for every activity no away mita le ta sector le no pa ma we ta khale khisi awati atahu tagya pokune lo a time for every deed no pretend ma ta sector le pa hikaki we no no awene patinya sikolo no I also thought that no ya siko yasuko no as for man le pakanyo agwani no God tests them so that they may see that they are like the animal okay this means just God touch you you think about you are human but the God creation the same with animal this means the God tests you just like animal you will know by yourself one day no little gura kasa you are makwara paganyo tir phai di tu akfinya lo asala ami wara no pretend mala sapu ko phone lo man fate is like this of the animal no paganyo lo pretend mala ame no atati ne lo ga di tu do sapu ko pho tir phani lo no the same face with them both no awani did the tolo no awani no tama ata kala kasilo no as when die no pretend ma the blood pasi no so die the other no die the other mimi koro tisikoro paga sikolo all has the same breath no breathe sorry the same breath no because but takaloni pasara temiholo man has no advantage over the animal no because mala telo soba no telo soba pakanyoni telo solo taro no to ulu pokulu because mala no sapu kopu apoko sikoba to uwe sikoba no everything is meaningless now tackle and mira tackle everything is meaningless no I want to tackle and tackle all go to the same place no tackle and levels to talot puholo all come from the dust and to dust all return no I want to tackle and hewel hakukamu doka kiwasu hakukamu no poitet no kakigra kisu hakukamu kalakasilo who know if the spirits of man raise upwards and if the spirit of the animal go down into the earth no bakitena mala ke hili satamile bakitena mala pakanyoni awaki tawara sutapa kuro satamile no sabukopone awaki dake su Hakulani Marga Jethirgale. So I saw this. There is nothing better, no, for a man than to enjoy his word. No, Peter Mala. Yetita Miller, no, Yetita Miller. Ta Pagama Tagi Tethoro Paganyoti Pala Amata Mala Ataku Puba, no. Le Atama Pokone Ataku, no. Because, no, let recall that is his lot now away ne mitala atamalo no for who can bring him to see what will happen after him no matadagala no kaduti ola takamatala no takamatala Okay, do you understand about this? Okay, after this, somebody can tell you you has terrible thing, or you has happiness thing, or you has rich, maybe you has poor, you will be poor. Who can tell you? All right, we are the same. Sometimes people, the man is look like animal. They can angry. Okay, they hasty. Maybe they killed. Okay, this means the same thing. Animal is they don't understand about the human language, and then they will be back you, eat you sometime. Okay, we know this. The animal is two animal. The God creation. One animal is can live in with people. One animal is cannot live in with people because this animal is living in the deserts. There's a difference between okay the God creation two things. Little ko ka sa tilo ni no me sab ko po kimi no me sab ko po amiro sab ko po adelo sab ko po adene ora la pagda ora pa kanyo sab ko po amiro ora la fa la klan ni no kro pa patu pa fa le pata mo pu sit ko no ko pro le ye lo hete tatami i le pawe ko de le ta khale ni me ta le takama ta le tani ho no the time for death, not the type for born. Okay, we cannot deny. No, we cannot deny. Okay, I don't want to born again. I don't want to die. We cannot deny. Everything is happy and coming. Okay, the time to war, the time to peace. We cannot deny. This is the God planning everything for people. Okay, but I see something about the great thing. When are you doing good thing? Okay, the God with you. The God will show you something important. What happened in the war? This one is the great thing. You don't believe God, God not show you. Okay, because you are not the son of God. This means the God cannot show you, the God cannot tell you, only the God can tell. Okay, he trusts some people. Okay, he loves some people. Okay, the God is a grateful mercy. I told you the truth. Do you know about the Nineveh? A lot of people, they don't believe God. Why? The God sent people with him. Huh? You know that Jonah? The God sent to the Nineveh, go there, okay? Telling them, 40 days I will destroy everything, right? But the Jonah, he don't want to go, right? They are not human. They killing people, they stealing, the adultery, everything there, including all city. Okay, the God don't want an animal. The God wanted to destroy, but Jonah go telling them, they repent. Every person repent, including the king. Later then, they are safe, right? They are safe. But Jonah don't want us. Jonah don't want to see Nineveh is safe. Jonah want to destroy. The God said, the God told, the God given the lesson to the Jonah, right? This means I'm very impressed in my life. I don't see before like this. The God love people in the world. Whatever you are believe, you not believe, just repent. Don't do the such a thing. Make a decision. Do the right thing. Okay? Doing the right thing. You don't pray God, that's fine. But repent by yourself. Don't kill it. Okay? Don't kill it, don't steal. Okay? Don't adultery. This is a better thing for you. Thank you, brother and sister. Every person watching. God bless you. God bless your family. God take care of you all. Okay, I will see you next time. No, the simply video mala the quarter mu the tita madakata pakuro to kana varamano do moya sugitu do mo kasaya kleda tu le tita mu punirki no. I love you, man. Okay, you saw me. Hi, I thank you so much. I will see you next time. No, I want to start right now. I see you later. I very honor you. Okay, thank you.